In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete TikTok followers really quickly. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up TikTok app, and once it is done, tap right here to go to your TikTok profile. Now guys, we need to tap add followers and it will show us all our followers on TikTok. And then let's say if you would like to remove some particular user from here, then all you have to do is just tap add three dots next to their username. Then tap add remove this follower and then hit add remove to confirm it. In this way we can remove one or several followers by removing them one by one. But if you have thousands of followers, like in my case, this method will not be good for you because it will take too much time. So in order to delete all the followers at once, you need to head over right here to your TikTok profile first. Then tap at these three lines and go to settings and privacy. Now here scroll down to the very bottom, and somewhere here we will find report a problem. Then scroll down again and tap at chat with us. Then you will be taken to the TikTok help desk where you can have a conversation with the TikTok support team in this chat. And then let's start with describing our problem. I'm just going to dictate it. Please remove all my followers on TikTok. That's what we can enter here, and then all we have to do is just hit right here at send, and after a while, maybe several hours or a day, TikTok support team will delete all of your followers at once. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.